If you have experienced severe hair loss and are wondering how to fix it and regrow your hair, here are some ultimate solutions. Watch this video on Pars Health to find out. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Number 13. Massage. It is believed by many people that regular sculpting massage improves health and blood circulation. When done along with good hair oils and masks, it boosts the scalp's health and stimulates the overall health of hair. Every day, try to massage your scalp to ease tension and stress while also increasing the health of your hair. Similar to regular hair wash, the health benefits of regular hair massage cannot be mentioned enough. It strengthens your hair and is one of the most influential home remedies for hair loss and regrowth as well. Along with the health benefits of hair oiling, you should also look at the hair oil best suited for your hair type. Number 12. Essential oils. Essential oils such as rosemary and lavender are high in ingredients that increase follicle growth and improve hair roots, thereby boosting hair growth. For best outcomes, heat 3 teaspoons of rosemary or olive oil, and to this, add half a piece of fresh avocado followed by a little bit of honey or egg. Add 9 drops of lavender to this combination, apply it to your scalp, and wash your hair with shampoo after 40 minutes. Try this mix once a week for a month or two to get the results. Number 11. Castor Oil. Castor oil functions as a miracle treatment for your hair thanks to its wonderful mixture of proteins, vitamin E, and several minerals. Add 1 teaspoon of Remedies seeds along with 7 tablespoons of castor oil and coconut oil, then boil the blend until it turns brown. Before washing it off, let it cool, then massage it to your scalp and hair, and then wait for 40 minutes. Use this excellent hair mask at least twice a week for the best results. Number 10. Onion juice. Onion juice has been indicated to boost circulation and stimulates hair growth. Actually, it can successfully cure alopecia areata. According to Bonner G, this problem leads to hair loss in different body parts. All you should do is mix a few onions, squeeze the juice, apply it to your scalp and hair, and leave it for 20 minutes, followed by washing it with a proper shampoo for your hair type. However, to enjoy the all health benefits, you should handle the smell of onion juice. Number 9. Amla. Bonner G mentions, Amla is high in essential fatty acids that strengthen hair follicles, and the vitamin C in Amla avoids premature graying of hair. Try utilizing an Amla hair mask, blend 2 teaspoons of Amla and shikakai powder each and add some water to have a smooth paste that is easy to use. Apply this blend to your scalp and hair and leave it for 40 minutes before shampooing your hair. Do this at least once a week for the best results. Number 8. Egg mask. An egg mask is a brilliant way to nourish your hair. With 70% keratin protein, eggs are excellent for rebuilding damaged and dry hair, making it smooth and moisturized. Eggs and yogurt make a brilliant hair conditioner. Take 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of fresh yogurt to make a paste and apply it to your hair. Wait for 20 minutes before you shampoo your hair for the best results. Number 7. Coconut milk. Since coconut milk includes essential nutrients and vitamins, it is one of the most effective home treatments for hair loss and regrowth. You should just take a cup of coconut milk and apply it to your scalp and hair. How to do it? Apply 1 cup of coconut milk to your hair and scalp, then massage it. Now, wrap a towel around your head and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. After this, you should wash your hair with some shampoo and cold water. You should do this once a week. Number 6. Avoid smoking and drinking. Alcohol consumption is one of the most significant causes of hair fall. Also, individuals who smoke regularly may experience unnatural hair loss because of reduced blood flow to the scalp. Therefore, decreasing your alcohol consumption may be one of the best hair fall remedies and can also boost healthy hair growth. Number 5. Drink lots of water. Dehydration is considered to severely impact your body and influence your hair health. You can prevent this by staying hydrated regularly and drinking at least 6 glasses of water daily. Besides, you can also drink healthy fruit juices that can be easily created at home. Not only does this maintain your scalp healthily, but it also functions as one of the easiest home remedies for hair loss, apart from staying hydrated regularly. Number 4. Manage your stress levels. Different studies have indicated that your stress levels can have a significant influence on your overall hair health. One of the main issues caused because of stress is graying of hair. So, taking care of your mental health during difficult times can indirectly become one of the best hair fall remedies that you can try. You can better this condition by practicing meditation, yoga, and other activities that will keep you healthy, both physically and mentally. Number 3. Iron. This vital nutrient assists your body in producing blood, and low levels of it are associated with hair loss. The reason isn't apparent, but be sure you consume plenty of iron-rich foods such as meat, poultry, fish, broccoli, tofu, and all types of greens. Talk to your health practitioner before taking iron pills, though. Too much can lead to vomiting and constipation. Very high doses can even be fatal. Number 2. Zinc. As zinc helps with most processes in your body that keep you alive, it's no surprise that it also strengthens the follicles under your scalp that feed your hair. Your body can't store zinc, so you require some in your daily diet. Suppose zinc levels in your body are low. In that case, there's some evidence that intaking zinc supplementation could help with hair fall, but more research is required. Your doctor will likely have you try other treatments first. Number 1. Biotin. Many doctors prescribe biotin, also named aka vitamin B7, for hair loss and to obtain good results. It's also beneficial for your skin. Although it's safe, you will likely get plenty from the foods you consume. Eggs, mushrooms, wheat germ, and all have a high amount of biotin. Don't worry so much about applying it to your scalp. While multiple hair products boast that they include it, there's not much evidence that your hair fall will be assisted by them. If you enjoy the video, please like it. And don't forget to watch more of our videos on the left and right of your screen. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.